Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another makeup tutorial for you all. So in this video I have created this super elegant and soft and romantic Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, which is very simple and easy to recreate. So if you want to know how I got this beautiful soft romantic makeup look for the Valentine's Day, then please keep on watching. So for today's makeup look, I'm gonna do my base first. So I'm taking the Smashbox Pore Filling Primer and applying that on my entire face and blending it out using my fingertips. Then I took the LA Colors eyebrow pencil in the shade Espresso. While the primer was soaking and settling into my skin, I just took this eyebrow pencil and went ahead to fill in my eyebrows. Then I'm taking this COLOURPOP No Filter Concealer in the number 48, and this is like a really peachy toned concealer shade for me. So I'm just using that to correct and conceal at the same time. So I'm just applying that on all of the problematic areas on my face, and then I took the COLORS Vanity Beauty blender and I'm just gonna blend everything out. And the beauty blender is damp, so it just helps in blending the product much better. Then I'm taking a mixture of two foundations from NYX. So one is the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, which was slightly darker than my complexion, so I mixed it with the Total Control Drop foundation from NYX, which is in the shade Cinnamon. So I mixed them both to custom create my skin shade and dotted it all over my face and blending it out using a buffing brush. Then to highlight my face, I'm taking the L'Oreal True Match Concealer in the shade Medium Deep and applying that underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, underneath my eyebrows, on the center portions of my eyebrows, on my cupid's bow and my chin. Again, I went ahead with the damp beauty blender from COLORS Vanity and blended all of the highlighted areas. Then I took this K-Beauty contour stick in the shade Coco Focus, which is like a really deep chocolatey brown contouring shade. So I'm just applying that wherever I want to chisel my features out. Then I took my Real Techniques contour brush and blended all of the cream contour. And before I set my face with some powder, I took the BALM Bonnie Dew Manizer, which is a liquid highlighter, on the back of my hand, and using the same damp sponge, I'm just applying that product wherever I want a bit of glow. Then I took the Huda Beauty Easy Bake loose powder in the shade Banana Bread, which has also become a recent favorite of mine. So I'm just taking that on the same beauty blender and going ahead and baking my face on the areas wherever I know that I will oil up and crease. Then gonna start off with my eye makeup. For that, I'm taking the MILANI Eyeshadow Primer and just taking a little bit of the product and applying that on the tops of my eyelids and blending it out using my fingertips. Applying eyeshadow primer is going to make the eyeshadows look really vibrant, and it should prevent the eyeshadows from creasing. Then I'm taking this eyeshadow palette from Root Cosmetics in the variant Tokyo, and I'm first going to pick up that matte orangey brownish sort of eyeshadow on a blending brush and applying that on the crease of my eyes. This is such a great, inexpensive, good quality eyeshadow palette. Then I'm taking this very muted rosy pinky sort of a shade on the same blending brush and blending it on the crease as well. Then I'm taking this really pretty sort of a purplish pinky shade on a tapered blending brush and applying that precisely on the crease of my eyes and also at the outer corners of my eyes. Then I'm taking the Swiss Beauty Metallic Liquid Eyeshadow in like a pinkish glittery eyeshadow. So I'm just popping that on my eyelids, and this is another very good, inexpensive liquid eyeshadow available in the Indian market. So I've just applied that on the eyelids, and I'm just dabbing the product on the eyelids using my ring finger. I'm going ahead with the same tapered blending brush that I used for the purplish eyeshadow and just blending it on the crease so that there are no harsh lines on the crease. Then taking the Wet n Wild Color Icon Kohl in a black shade, I'm just applying a very tiny amount at the outer V of my eye and quickly gonna use my ring finger to blend out the product. This is just to add a bit of smokiness to the eye makeup. Taking the INGLOT Freedom System eyeshadow in a matte black shade, I'm going to apply that right on top of the kohl pencil that I applied previously using a pencil brush and smudging it really well on the outer corners of my eyes, and this is going to create a very smooth and blended smoky effect. Now taking the ColourPop Creme Gel eyeliner in like a beautiful smoky purple sort of a shade, and I'm gonna line my upper lash line and create a very tiny winged shape at the outer V of my eye. And this step doesn't have to be very neat because we are going to smudge this eyeliner out. Taking a smudging brush, I'm just gonna smudge the purple eyeliner on my upper lash line. Now taking the Rimmel Exaggerate kohl pencil in a nude color, and I'm just gonna apply that to my lower waterline. So this is gonna make my eyes look really wide awake and open. Taking the same matte black eyeshadow from INGLOT on an angled brush, I'm gently gonna line my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take a mix of these two eyeshadow from the Root Cosmetics palette on a tapered blending brush and blending out the black eyeshadow on my lower lash line so that it creates a smooth and smoky effect. Once the eye makeup was done, I'm just brushing off all of the excess powder using a fluffy powder brush. Then I took a current favorite mascara. This is the Flower Beauty Lash Warrior Mascara, and before applying the mascara, I'm going ahead and curling my eyelashes using the Colorbar eyelash curler and applying loads and loads of this mascara to my top and bottom eyelashes because I wanted to skip falsies for this look and go ahead with just the mascara. Then I'm taking the Rimmel Natural Bronzer in the shade Sunkissed. which is actually not a very deep shade of a contour on me. So I'm just applying that bronzer wherever I did the cream contour. Then I'm taking this beautiful pinky blush from Colorbar. This is the shade Everything Rosy, which is like a really popping pink blusher. So I'm just popping that on my cheeks, and I'm applying a little extra blush than I usually do because I want that rosy effect for the Valentine's Day. Then I'm taking the LA Girl Strobe Light Highlighter in the shade 20 Watt, which is like a really beautiful golden highlighter. So I chose a golden highlighter because everything else was really pinky, so I wanted an element of gold in my makeup. So I've just used the highlighter to add a bit of glow wherever I need the glow. I'm also going ahead and highlighting the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone. For the lips, I'm first taking the Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream in the number 54, which is like a very beautiful brown lipstick. So I'm just applying that on my entire lips. Then I'm taking another soft matte lip cream from Miss Claire again, and this is in the number 62, which is like a mauvey pinky lip color. I'm just applying that right on top of the brown lipstick that I just applied. I also went ahead and added a bit of gloss. This is from the BALM and the shade is called Exaggerate, which is also like a muted pinky lip gloss. So I'm just applying that on my entire lips as well. Last but not the least, I'm going to lock my makeup in place using the Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray. So I'm just giving it a quick shake and spritz the spray all over my face from a distance. So that is the finished, soft, elegant and romantic Valentine's Day makeup look for you all. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please do give this video a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos from me, and I shall see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.